This is the Pure Sky Purple Window and Glass Cloth. So I have a problem cleaning my mirrors, and I came across these Pure Sky products. This is just a purple microfiber cloth until you actually start to use it. This, no streaks. So my mirrors always streak. I can't stand when I use microfiber and I can't get them clean. This, it did not streak whatsoever. Tried it and immediately I noticed the difference. I did not have to shut the light off. I didn't have to do it 2 or 3 times. You literally works on mirrors, windows, even that shower glass. The glass dried so clean without a hazy film. Mirrors, glass, windows, you literally just add water, no spray bottles, no extra steps. This pretty purple microfiber simplifies cleaning. Instead of adding another product to the routine, carrying around 55 bottles with you, no chemical smell, no residue, no re-wiping. The same spot 5 times, and that is my problem. For me, this, with those teen vanity mirrors, cleaned it right up. Cleaned it right up. This is one of those tools that's going to quietly earn a spot in my cleaning routine. It's not flashy, but it works. And that's exactly why I'm going to keep reaching for it. The opinions in this review are mine. The product was provided by the brand.